Hey everybody, it's Milton Hughes here from Lebanon Ford Performance, and I got an exciting announcement. I even brought back an old friend, Josh Hipp from Roush Performance. I'm going to kick it over to Josh. Hey Josh, welcome back.
Thanks, Milton. It's always nice to be back here in Lebanon Ford. It's always exciting to also talk about a way to give back to customers, especially when we're here at the holiday season. So what we're discussing tonight is a new idea that the guys here at Lebanon have come up with as a way to give back to new LFP owners for the first quarter next year. So if you become an LFP owner, so if you purchase a 2020 or 2021 Mustang GT or a 2020 F-150 from January 2nd to March 31st, you're actually going to be entered into a drawing to have a refund of the entire purchase price of your supercharger kit. So that's the equivalent of an $8,500 value. Now, I want to recap some of the requirements. So obviously you do have to make a purchase. It's got to be a 2020 or 2021 Mustang or a 2020 F-150. And that's going to be paired exclusively with a Roush Performance supercharger, whether that be the 750 horsepower phase 2 for the Mustang or the 650 horsepower phase 1 for the F-150. And that drawing is going to be had on April 2nd. And Milton, why don't you tell us where people can see that drawing when it happens?
Thanks, Josh. Remember to visit all of our social media platforms. We're going to be streaming live again on April 2nd on Facebook and Instagram. Please tune in. We're going to be announcing this live for this drawing, and we're very excited, and we hope to see you all there. And just a reminder, visit LebanonFordPerformance.com to look at our current inventory. And Josh, thank you for coming in. We always love having you back here.
Of course, happy to be here.
We're looking forward to seeing you all on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you tune in. This is going to be a live event. It's going to be very exciting.
Very fun.
We're going to have tons of views, great conversations. Again, tune in to LebanonFordPerformance.com, and good luck.